Welcome. I'm here with my friends Rant and Ramble, and today we're going to make ripped paper collages. On the table, we each have a glue stick, a white sheet of paper, and a blue sheet of paper. These are all the supplies we're going to need. To get started, we're going to start ripping up our paper.
Oh man, I can't tear it. Bummer.
Yeah, neither can I. What kind of a set is this? 2 pieces of paper. Who ever heard of such a thing?
I'm sorry, Rant. I'm sorry, Ramble. You know, I wasn't really thinking about Cyclops monsters when I was putting all this together. Maybe you two could work together.
How would we do that?
Well, if one of you holds the paper, the other one can rip it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's cool in theory, but how are we supposed to know when to do it? What if I rip before Ramble's ready to hold? There's a lot of timing involved, and timing isn't easy.
It's a good point, Rant. I know. When I need to do something at a certain time, it helps me if I sing.
Sing?
Yeah. So if I wanted to know exactly when to rip the paper, I might sing rip, rip, rip the paper. So that every time I sing rip, I make a rip. Let's try it.
All right, I'll hold.
And I'll rip.
Will you try with us too?
Yeah!
Great. So we're gonna
Rip,
rip the paper, rip, rip, rip the paper, rip, rip, rip the paper, rip, 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 rip. Hey, well done, y'all. All right, next we need to glue the paper. So I'll take my glue stick and put just a little bit on my blue sheet of paper, and then I'll put the white paper on top. To help us while we work, let's keep singing. But this time, we'll change the word rip for the word glue. Ready?
Okay. I'll glue and you can place.
Sounds good to me.
Perfect. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right. So we're gonna
Glue,
glue, glue the paper, glue, glue, glue the paper, glue, glue, glue the paper, glue, 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 glue. Hey, great work. All right, last, we need to tap the paper. Make sure all the pieces stay on. So, we're gonna
Tap,
tap, tap the paper, tap, tap, tap the paper, tap, tap, tap the paper, tap, 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 tap. Beautiful work, everyone. And it was kind of fun tapping the table too, huh? Like drumming a bit. You know, Rant, Ramble, I'd love to see what you made.
All right, I'll hold up this side.
Perfect. And I'll hold that side.
Oh.
You know, it might help if you say left or right.
Oh.
Right, yeah.
Okay, I'll go to the left.
What? Okay, fine. I'll go right then.
Right on.
Huh?
Are you two ready?
Ready?
All right. Whoa, amazing, y'all. You two made something so cool together. Rant, if you had to describe your collage using just a few words, what would you say?
I would describe our collage as white and blue. Though blue that's a little more teal, but I'll still call it blue because that's the 2 colors we used. I can't say there's any other way to describe it really. Maybe thin because the paper is thin. So, thin, white, and blue.
Lovely, Rant. Really precise and observant. Thank you. Ramble, how about you?
I think it's like looking into the sky, you know? And then, while you're looking up, you get a little tired, so you decide to lie down. And then, you get a little sleepy, so you squint your eye.
Ooh, can't you hurry up, Ramble?
Hey, now, Rant. Let's give Ramble their time to explain.
And then, looking through your eye, you see little bits of cloud floating by in the blue sky, and they all make different shapes.
Ah, Ramble, that was a beautiful description. Thank you.
Of course. Will you show us yours, Donnie?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, great collage, Donnie.
Thanks, y'all.
And what would your words for your collage be?
I would describe my collage like snowflakes in a blue sky. How about you? How would you describe your collages? Will you hold them up for us?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a good one.
I agree, Ramble. You all made some wonderful collages and have some great descriptions for them, too. Thanks so much for making some art with us today. We'll see you again next time.